Hey, what's up? It's me, the Home Cook Hero, and if you want to make some easy herb baked chicken, I got you. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, this new little style I decided to try out, and I hope you liked the recipe. If you decided to make it, I hope you enjoyed it. So with that said, if you liked the video, you can hit that like button, you can leave a comment down below, and you can even subscribe to the channel, y'all. Alright, y'all, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Later.